Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we will talk about a few things coming up. So this week we are going to change to a new month. We'll be in April of 2020, and of course April 1st is on Wednesday. So today, of course, we're Monday, March 30th, 2020. And one of the things that, of course, is going to be interesting to see is the release of Windows 10 version 2004. And that means that in the next weeks, we should have a name for this also. It should be showing up because this is the month where it's supposed to be released. And we think it's going to be probably with Patch Tuesday. Patch Tuesday security updates this month are going to be on the 14th, April 14th. So almost mid-month. This is going to be interesting to see if they release the Windows 10 version 2004 at the same time. Insiders have been getting cumulative updates. We got one last week also that fixes bugs. So that means that, they're still tweaking a little bit, but it's close and soon to be released officially. So this is the month where it's happening. We have no word of any delays. It still is supposed to be coming out this month. And that's why it's called 2004 for April of 2020. Now, there's no big rush. Even if they would release it in May or whatever, it wouldn't change much because there's really not that much to look at in the new version, honestly. Once again, it's an optional update, so you don't have to get this if you don't want to, unless you're in a version of Windows 10 that is going to actually expire soon. If you're on the October 2018 update, you are at the edge of that out of support. Consumer Windows 10 versions last 18 months, and so it, I believe, expires in May. So May will be the last security update for the Windows 10 version 1809, which is the October 2018 update. So basically, that means you'll be pushed, and some of you are already being pushed to the November 2019 update, but you'll be pushed also probably to this version of Windows 10. A question that I get regularly, what if I'm on the May 2019 update? Can I go to the new version 2004 without having to go through the November 2019 cumulative update? Technically, yes. Any version that is a major version of Windows 10 is a complete reinstall. You don't need a past version, a specific version of the past to actually move on to this new version. It just shows up and reinstalls Windows if you want on your machine. So you don't need to have that November 2019 cumulative update for the Windows 10 2004 to actually arrive. Unlike the November 2019 update, since it's a cumulative update, it does require you to have the May 2019 update in order to have that cumulative update, which is different. Another thing that we're looking at for the month of April is the famous Edge Chromium browser. For those of you waiting for this, Edge Chromium browser is apparently starting to, or will be starting to show up for a lot of people through Windows Update, possibly this month. So it would coincide with the fact that Edge Chromium would be pushed to everybody, and with the version 2004. Once again, if you're the question that I get asked is, well, will version 2004 include Edge Chromium? No, it's a separate download. So technically, version 2004 gets the original Edge, and a cumulative update will bring you, or not a cumulative update, but an update through Windows Update will, which is an optional update. Once again, will bring you Microsoft Edge in your system. It's an optional update. You don't have to accept it, so you don't have to be forced to move to or get the Edge Chromium. It is uninstallable, so that means if you do click and check it out and don't like it or don't want it, you can uninstall it. And if you're on the original Edge, your favorites and settings will be moved on to Edge Chromium, but the original Edge will disappear from your computer. It's one or the other, not both at the same time. And if you don't like it, if you uninstall the Edge Chromium, you will actually get back to the old Edge. So we're here, and that's what's going to happen right now. We're technically going to see how all of this goes. And April will be an interesting month with all of this happening at the same time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.